Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's that time again. It's CraftyBonbons box. This is the August box, and I think from the sneak peek it's a bit nautical theme, seaside nautical theme, so that's why it's all blue. I love it. So let's crack this open, but first that caught my eye is this little postcard with the sailboat on it. This is really cute. So now let's open our box, or let's see what's inside. Oh my days. Okay, so let's do that. Hope you can see everything. Let me just double check. Yes, you can. Right, so first thing that we see is the collaboration between Crafty Ali cat and Stick It Bonbons and Bonbons Kawaii on Etsy. That's why it's called CraftyBonbons. It also says link to the Facebook group and the links to the Etsy shop. So you can pause it here so you can take note. So first up, I can see 2 washi tapes. Wow, really? So I've got this kind of like, oh, look at that. It's like seaside theme, and this one again is like summer beach vacation theme. Hope you can see it. Put that onto one side, and then this is a packet of, I think, die cuts. Right. Sorry for the noise. Oh, so you've got, oh, I like this. It's like a pin-up lady. Love it. Anchor, a life saver, is it? It's like a this one's a compass. Oh, this is cute. Another anchor. Oh, tugboat. You know what? This reminds me of the boat that we took to Kawaii Island. Oh, it's cute. Got this lovely lady. 2 lighthouses, one in red and one in kind of like blue. And then the wheel. Another bit. Oh, she's really pretty, this one. And then a lamp. And then a sailboat again. It's really pretty. And then you get these kind of like stick-on gems. And then you get a stick-on adhesive pocket, I think. Yeah, that's it. Stick-on adhesive pocket. You can use that in your planner or in your journals. And then you get these vinyl stickers. And for this one, I ordered an A5 again. You'll see that I've, oh, this is nice. Oh my goodness, this paper, you guys. Oh my days. So it's got red, white, and blue theme on it. Oh my goodness, it's really pretty, guys. So there's normal paper, but you've got this textured paper. I love it. Love, love, love. And then you get another packet of die cuts. Sorry about my finger. I was sorting out printer inks a while ago, and I had a bit of a blue ink there. So you got that. You got another lighthouse there. Got this little sailboat. Look at that, how cute that is. Sebastian in silver. Another lighthouse thing. An airplane. pen. Oh, I like this. Look at that. You can almost like put like pictures behind it, like people's faces in there. That is so cute. Okay, then you get a paper clip. Why can't I? That is so pretty. I like this. The beads and the dangly beads, an anchor there. Oh, pretty. Oh, another vinyl sticker with my name on it. Love it. And obviously you get some instructions how to apply your vinyl stickers. And this one, I love it. Seize the day. There are 3. Hang on, there must be another one somewhere. Oh, there it is. I thought so. So you get 4 journal cards. I like the color theme. Do you know what? I'm drawn to blue. I'm literally just drawn to blue. I love it. And then you get some postcards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ones. So it's the same as, I guess, this one, but you get make waves and you've got your name there, whilst this one is blank. I love it. Got my name on it. Yay! It has. Wow. Beautiful. And then you get some stickers. These are pretty. Look at that, guys. And then you get some adhesive labels that you can use with your in either to put the address of the receiver of your letter, or you can use it as a journaling spot in your journals. And then you get writing letter. Oh wow, hang on a minute. Get lots. Okay, so you get these to match these. Wait a minute. You get more than usual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, you get the same, but they're quite nice, thick paper. Oh my goodness. So that's that. And then you've got another bit that is like a paper, like a decorative paper, but you can still write in it and use in your journal. Use it as a background and then put some photographs around it and you can journal in there. How beautiful are these? Ugh. Oh wow. And then you get a pen. I think this is a version of a friction pen, because I think it's got that one. Let me just try it. I've got this. You can say hello. Oh, I love the ink. Whether it looks, and then can you erase it? Yes. Unfortunately, it's blue. Oh, I love it. Here you go. Wow. Okay. Lovely. Love that pen. And then you get the papers. Oh, I like this vellum one. And this one. Oh, wow. That is so cute. This one, these are papers. They're really thin, but not really thin, but they're papers, but they're so luxurious. They're really good quality paper. Look at that. And then, oh, I like this one. Almost like, that's a nice paper. And then these one are cardstock. So one-sided, nice thick paper for you. And that one's so pretty. Look at that. And last but not least, that one. So beautiful. Right, that's it guys. That's my Crafty Bonbons box for the month of August. Do check the group out so you get sneak peeks on future boxes. They have just posted the next one, the theme for the next one, and oh, it's beautiful. You won't regret it. And sometimes Ali and Debbie runs like a giveaway in the group, so that adds a little bit of fun. And you know, you get the sneak peeks for future ones as well, which is really nice. Boxes varies, but they try to make it as the same as everything else, but some bits and pieces are varies, but it's almost the same. It's just a different look, kind of. Yeah, so that is it guys. I hope you like what I've shared, and please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care guys. Bye.